Hello. I'm working on a diegetic UI system, and I realized that it would be easier for me to create some kind of word builder instead of just building the words by hand. So that would be more modular and easy to change and to use in different scenarios. So that's what I'm sharing with you guys. This is this world builder with a UE project, and yeah, all the files are gonna be in my Patreon for free to download, and that download includes, as I said, the UE project includes this Blender file with all the letters here, and as you can see, this is the high poly version. We are almost at 20 million triangles, but you can have you have as well the low poly version, and each letter it's around 4K, so much more optimized and better to use in a professional setting. And yeah, the link will be in the description, so it's going to be very easy for you guys to download it. So what's this thing, or what are the features? Let me show the real item here. So you can change the words very easily. Let's say we need to have a star menu. So we have the star there. We can change the lettering space, the letter spacing, or what it's called in typography, the kerning. And you can change the word alignment. So this is left, right, and center. So that's yeah, all the features for this like very simple tool. But in another hand, it's gonna be very easy for you guys to change the font or to add new characters. And let me show you how this is done. So all the files that you need are going to be in this folder called the 3D lettering system. And as you can see, everything it's kind of organized. You have the blueprints here, your meshes, materials, textures in 4K, and yeah, the blueprints and the enumeration for the alignment here. So if we go to blueprint and we have a function here, so I try to make everything kind of clean and everything it's commented, so it's easy to understand and to follow the things, the calculations that we are doing. This is a little more messy, but I mean it's still easy to understand. That's for the alignment. We have the letter width here, the letter location, etc. But what I wanted to show you is how easy it's to add a character or to change the font. For example, we have here the letters map, and let's say, for example, let's say we don't have the last letter Z, and we have a word that it's this word, Zorro. So we are obviously missing the Z letter. So how do we add it? We come to the letters map. We are gonna enter a new entry here. Come here. We can add our Z and then just select our mesh. So in the same way, you can add more characters here if you need it. You can change the fonts, and it's yeah very easy and quick to do it. So we can save, compile, and there it is. So yeah, that's the whole thing. Very simple, but it can be very helpful if you need something like that to use for your project. So yeah, feel free to download it and use it as you want. I hope you like it and it's useful. So yeah, that's it. Have a great week and see you soon. Bye bye.